Hey guys, welcome back to Ratchet Restos. So we're going to take a minute and a second here to just pause and reflect on this. This is going to be January in 2024, so Happy New Year's to everyone. A little late. This is where this Charger started out about 8 to 10 years ago is when I purchased it. Definitely a heap, and we've slowly been through time picking back up on this project. The first time we picked back up on it would have been about 2023 when we finished with the Duster. So hope you guys stay tuned. Obviously this is where we're at right now. The bodywork for this car, at least the welding portion that I can see, is done, unless we decide to stiffen it a little later. Still got a little bit of grinding to do underneath the car, but we're looking pretty good. The car's a roller. We have a 318 with a small block 727 ready to go in. But for this video, what we're going to do is finish up some filler work and some painting. So I don't know if a lot of people know this, you haven't been following along. I'd like this car to go to an event this 2024. Where I live is winter, so it's a great excuse and a great goal to try to get it there before summer, spring's here and the good weather. So let's get back on it, let's get back on the car, and let's keep pressing on. Hope you guys stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. First thing we're going to jump into on this weekend, which I'm hoping I can get a lot of work done, is this paint stuff. For me, being able to only work on it once a week. I work on this car Sundays, or if I can take some time off work, I take a little bit of time off work and work on the car. So it's kind of where the effect of this is only some weekend wrenching. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to tackle these wheel wells on each side. Now I primer epoxy black painted them. What I'm going to do is scuff them up with a red Scotch-Brite, and then I'm going to jump in there with a lizard skin gun, and we're going to spray some lizard skin. So we'll bring you guys along for just kind of the fast forward work on it. We'll bring you a little bit along for when we paint the gun. I'm not sure yet, but we need to get these wheel wells lizard skin, and then we have to kind of clean off the car a little bit. It's really dusty in here. So we're going to lizard skin these ones, do all that work, and then we'll bring you guys back for the next project. So let's get at it on these sanding and kind of bringing these down, and we'll go from there. Hope you guys stay tuned. Guys, got blasted in the face cleaning the gun. We have the first coat of lizard skin on either side. Now I think I'm going to do another coat just to do it. It says to wait 1 to 2 hours, and the only thing you really need to clean out those guns is water. So it's really weird if you get this stuff and you're using it and you don't like how it goes, just use water. But remember to keep the instruction manual for that gun. Just super helpful to have it with you. So what we're going to move on to is some filler work on this back section right here on the window, right where it meets, where the two meet the roof and the quarter. I don't know, I didn't do a good job here, or when I was welding it just kind of needed to be taken off. But we're gonna tackle right here. It's not straight. We're gonna make that good. Do the other side. And then another section we have to do. I don't know why I did this. I am completely at fault for this, and stupidity really took over. Putting on this panel right here to the quarter, for some reason I welded it. If I would have just did spot welds like you're supposed to, I wouldn't have to deal with any of this, but I have to now, so I'm gonna find a way to make that look halfway decent. So we're just gonna focus on the rear of the car. I don't remember if there's anything on the front we have to do for filler, but if I can finish up those two sections and this section, we'll be way ahead on that. So let's get to it on that part, and then I'll look around for the next project. So I'm gonna get some filler, get it going. We'll bring you guys along for a fast forward as we go, because I'm not a filler guy, so I'm not gonna give you guys any advice on it. So let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. So we did a bunch of filler work that last weekend. This is a new weekend. So we got these right here good to go all the way around the window. They look good. We might have to mess with that little section where I welded, but that side's good. We put a little bit of filler on the doors around the Go Faster grooves. I wish I would have bought new doors. It probably would have just been easier. What we're gonna do now is, when I ordered these fenders, they both came with this like bent up, so we have to fix right here on either side. We have a few more things on the hood to deal with, but what I'm gonna shoot for is, I have some pedal assemblies and some steering column work to do. I'm gonna put the filler in, and then in the meantime, while I'm not doing filler work, I'm going to be sandblasting and painting the pedal assemblies for the car. I want to get all that in. We need to decide on a color real quick, but we also need to get the rest of the car up to primer snuff. So we're gonna set to work on doing all that, and we'll bring you guys along for a little bit, but we got a lot of filler work already in this video, so I don't know if we're gonna bring you back for a lot of that. So let's get back to it, and let's keep working on the Charger. See you guys when we do. Hey guys, welcome back. We got some filler work done. We got a lot of filler work done. We waxed and degreased the entire car, taped up a few things, and roughed up a lot of it. So we didn't show you guys a lot of it because filler work's Filler work's filler work. I mean, you bang dents out, you put filler on it. We have the Charger on its casters. We have a ladder. I need to get one more of those, so I have one for the other side too, so I'm not messing around in between. But we have it cleaned, prepped, fillered pretty decently, and we have a whole gallon of primer. So guess what time it is? This car is going to be in full gray primer because I'm tired of looking at it the way it is, and it really just needs to get a good paint job. So we're gonna let you guys watch as we paint, and that's probably gonna be what we're doing. So let's get at it. Hope you guys stay tuned.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Hey guys, holy cow, does this car look good. So, I mean, obviously we've got some filler showing through. We got a big piece down there, a few pieces on the other side, and then in this corner, I guess I forgot an area. Got a few other areas, just kind of see some filler still. I'm kind of wondering what I can do to like spray it beforehand, because the paint doesn't seem to want to go through it. This is 4 coats. This is 900 milliliters, 1800, about 3,000 milliliters of gray epoxy primer paint, and it still doesn't want to eat up any of that filler, not to show it. The areas that had pre-paint for the filler were fine. I'm just guessing I'm gonna have to mix up some paint and spray some gray over it and then re-sand it to actually get it to do anything. But the car is fully gray, looks amazing. Hope you guys stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna decide what we're gonna do. If I don't have a video for a while, it's because I'm doing nothing but body work, and I don't really want to show you guys the boring part of that. But if we have a video, hopefully we have something out. Obviously I've got to get my color picked out. I got to get the engine bay painted, and then I need to put the engine in. So you guys stay tuned. We'll get back to work and we'll get back on this car. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and we're just gonna keep rolling away on this thing, try to make the event of Hot Rod Power Tour 2024, because as of now, the Duster is enrolled for the long hauler, along with some other buddies of mine, so we're gonna have some fun. But I'd love to take the Charger, and the goal is to take this car. As beautiful as the Duster is, it gets 30 miles to the gallon, but it's not finished fully. Let's get this going, because this would just be way funner to break down in than the Duster would. Stay tuned, y'all. I'll get back at it.